get trouble.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Markets Update. We're having a green week in the cryptocurrency markets, but on a daily time frame, the markets are still down bad. Bitcoin is still holding on to $28,000. Where will Bitcoin head in the coming days and the coming weeks? We have been in this $28,000 region since the 18th of March 2023. We've entered April. Are we gearing up to dump to Goblin Town, or are we going to get that one final push to the upside? We're also going to be looking at news stories happening in the crypto world, and in this video we'll also be taking a look at the altcoin season index. It's telling us altcoins might be pumping to higher prices in the coming weeks, so how should we get prepared? We'll also take a look at liquidations in the market. A lot of traders are getting liquidated. More than 33,000 traders were liquidated in the last 24 hours. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. But if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bitcoin, the king of the market, is still hovering around $28,000. We're waiting for Bitcoin to tell us the next direction where the market will be heading in the coming days and the coming weeks. Bitcoin was trading around just $16,000 in the ending of 2022, but we've seen Bitcoin carry itself up, rallying by more than 77% to the upside. Right now, we're facing a major resistance level. Right now, Bitcoin has not been able to blast to that $30,000 region. So are we going to finally see Bitcoin head towards $30,000, maybe even get to as high as $32,000 in the month of April? We'll be taking a look at Bitcoin charts in the coming days and the coming weeks to see where Bitcoin will be heading. But guys, make no mistake, I don't think we're still in the bear market. We're in the early phases of another bull market cycle. It doesn't mean we're pumping to the moon anytime soon. It doesn't mean tomorrow Bitcoin will start pumping to all-time highs. But even though we might see Bitcoin dumping to Goblin Town, I strongly believe the bottom might be in already for Bitcoin. And the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see all coins start pumping to higher prices, starting to outperform Bitcoin. More than 3,600 Bitcoin ATMs went offline to record largest monthly decline, with 3,627 crypto ATMs going down last month. March 2023 becomes the month with the largest decline of crypto ATMs. And Uniswap V3 code free to fork as BSL expire. The license expiration marks a significant event within the DeFi ecosystem, enabling developers to deploy their own decentralized exchanges. And if you take a look at the altcoin season index, right now we're still in Bitcoin month. Right now, Bitcoin is still outperforming all coins in the market. But guys, anytime we're in Bitcoin month, has always been a good time to accumulate altcoins. So right now, I'm sounding the warning loud and clear. In future, in the next 6 weeks, a lot of people will be wishing they accumulated altcoins when we're down bad. But guys, remember, accumulating right now doesn't mean we're going to be pumping forever. This thing takes time because US crackdown will push crypto center of gravity to Hong Kong. That's what Kalia CEO is saying. He said Hong Kong friendly approach might make the center of gravity for cryptocurrency trading and investment. And if you take a look at the number one altcoin in the market, Ethereum, is still hovering around $1,800, waiting for Bitcoin to tell us, are we pumping to higher prices, which might see Ethereum rally above $2,000 for the first time since August of 2022? Are we dumping back to Goblin Town, which might see Ethereum head back towards the $1,000 region? But all coins are still waiting on Bitcoin to show us the way. All coins are not really showing that strength in this rally. Bitcoin has been the king of this rally. We have seen Bitcoin pumping aggressively in the last 1 month. CZ Binance influencers face $1 billion lawsuit for unregistered security promo. While 3 American citizens brought the case, the lawsuit alleged that millions of people could be eligible for damage 5 days after Binance CEO was sued by U.S. Security State Future and Trading Commission for allegedly trading violations. A new $1 billion suit was filed against the crypto exchange boss. And the crypto unicorn index is telling us we only have 53 projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. If all coins start rallying to the high side in the coming days and the coming weeks, that number might quickly shoot towards 70 plus. BTC price fixed on $35,000 as BTC eyes massive liquidity squeeze. Bitcoin with past massive liquidations. If it rises to take out ask liquidity around $30,000, the latest BTC price analysis says. So if Bitcoin rallies towards $30,000, maybe getting to as high as $35,000, a lot of people that shut the market right now might get liquidated. Guys, for Bitcoin to head towards $35,000 from where we're currently trading right now, Bitcoin will have to rally by more than 25% to the upside. Arbitrum first governance proposal sparked controversy with $1 billion at stake. The Arbitrum Foundation announced that it was only ratifying an existing decision when it proposed a 750 million ARB token budget. The proposal to fund Arbitrum Foundation with $750 million ARB token, nearly $1 billion, raised the controversy in the ARB committee over the weekend after the foundation announced that the vote was only to ratify a decision that's already been made. And if you take a look at the total crypto market cap, still hovering around $1 billion. If we see Bitcoin heading towards $30,000 plus and Ethereum heading towards $2,000 again, we might see the total crypto market cap rally above $1.2 trillion, maybe even getting to as high as $1.4 or $1.5 trillion. UK banks are turning away crypto clients. Challenges for crypto companies range from having application rejected, accounts frozen, to being overwhelmed with paperwork. Crypto companies are facing difficulties accessing banking services in the United Kingdom, according to multiple sources interviewed by Bloomberg. And if you take a look at the crypto unicorn index, right now the market is still experiencing greed. And guys, the way the market always ends after we head into greed is that we'll see all coins pumping to higher prices. People will start calling for a new bull run. Everything will be dandy, everything will be good, and then we'll start dumping to Goblin Town. We're basically seeing everything we need to see except that last final phase where we'll see all coins rallying and to look as if they're going to continue pumping to higher prices. The FOMO is going to be real. Protect yourself. If you see those pumps to the upside coming, remember, at some point in time, we're still going to dump back to Goblin Town. Allbridge offers bounty to exploiter who stole $573,000 in flash loan attack. Allbridge offers to hacker who proliferate more than $553,000 from his platform a chance to come forward as a white hat and forgo any legal ramifications. Buttering weighs in on ZK EVM's impact on centralization and security. Battery Buttering has weighed the impact of the additional ZK EVMs at protocol level, saying it could speed up verification process on base layer. And Bitcoin liquidity drops to 10-month low amidst US bank run. The banking crisis has impacted US state-based exchange, with the most traders suffering due to increased price volatility. If you take a look at liquidations in the market, in the last 24 hours, over 34,000 traders have been liquidated, amounting in more than $100 million worth of liquidations. Bitcoin accounted for $33 million of those liquidations. Ethereum accounted for $22 million, and all coins accounted for the rest of the liquidations we saw in the last 24 hours. An Arbitrum to break up governance votes after community backlash. The foundation has backtracked on its controversial proposal and ratification vote that gave it control of huge chunks of tokens. And BTC price double forming. 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. 1. Oil cuts boost dollars as inflation concern returns. And also, Bitcoin might pump to higher prices, but Bitcoin price rebounds from OPEC Plus news. We heard that a lot of OPEC countries will be cutting down oil production in the coming days and in the coming weeks. And Bitcoin mining has broken another record. We have gotten to 47 trillion on the 2% rise in difficulties. So it's going to be hard to hack the Bitcoin network as days go by. Dormant BTC supply sets record. BTC is known for its ability to create short supply, but the latest data underscores the long-term trend. Despite BTC price comeback this year, the available supply dormant for a decade is now more in an all-time high. ChatGPT and AI must pay for the news it consumes. News Corporation Australian CEO Michael Miller says generative AI is a move by digital companies to take the creative contents of others without enumerating them for their original work. What do you think about that? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. If you take a look at the altcoin market, we're still hovering below $400 billion. We might see a rally towards the $450 billion level in the coming days and in the coming weeks, but that will require the altcoin market to rise by nearly 20%. If we're going to get to that $500 billion region, the altcoin market will have to rally by more than 31% in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours has traded for as high as $28,475 and as low as $27,600. Bitcoin is still yet to crack that $30,000 level in 2023. And Italian regulators draws criticism from blocking AI chatbot ChatGPT. ChatGPT temporary ban in Italy over privacy concerns draws criticism from figures in the tech industry. Bitcoin ordinals daily inscription surge due to BRC20 tokens. The BRC token standard utilize original inscriptions to deploy token contracts, mint token, and transfer token. BitKeep wallet hits 10 million users driven by successful Arbitrum airdrop. In March, the platform claimed to have successfully onboarded 560,000 new users. Interesting to see, Ethereum in the last 24 hours has traded for as high as $1,819 and as low as $1,765. Still has a market cap of over $216 billion. Sandwich trading bot loses bread and butter in $25 million exploit. The Cephii team told Cointelegraph that it's one of the biggest exploits they have seen on MEV bots since September of 2022. And OKX launches metaverse training session with football star Ruben Diaz. The experience will allow fans to connect with Diaz and experience training techniques and coach tips in virtual reality. PancakeSwap changes its recipe with the launch of version 3. PancakeSwap has released version 3 of BNB Chain, Aptos, an Ethereum-based DeFi platform touting improvement performance and lower fees. The top gainers and the top losers in the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours is still unchanged. Solana is still comfortably sitting at number 10. BUSD sliding down the ranks. BUSD is currently ranked number 12 on CoinMarketCap. Huge gainers in the last 7 days include Cardano is up 11%, XRP is up 10%. And if you take a look at other news stories happening in the crypto world, Asta Network to launch smart contracts that support 2 virtual machines. Asta Network team claims that having 2 virtual machines is a key success factor in building layer 1 blockchains. And Terra co-founder Denishin arrest denied by court, citing low flight risks. Chin currently faces multiple fraud charges, specifically concerning alleged hiding risks associated with investing in the in-house token by Terraform Labs. And Japan FSA flagged Binance, Bybit, and others for operating without registration. If you take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours, in the gainers section, we have Solar, Injective, Fracture, Max Network, and DYDX. In the loser section, Aptos, Basic Attention Token, Optimism, and Phantom. Binance versus CFTC, latest court battle could alter crypto landscape in the US. The CFTC lawsuit against Binance could prove to be the beginning of the end for the crypto exchange United States, according to making markets pundits. And Bitcoin dominance in the market is still at 47.74%. We've entered a new week, so we're going to see Bitcoin dominance dumping to gobbling down, thereby transferring a lot of capital to the altcoin market, or we're going to see Bitcoin dominance heading towards 50% for the first time since 2021. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.